Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola One 5G Ace. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store, look for Microsoft Edge in a search, after installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, you can set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So pick it right here and click set as default. From here also the browser is ready. So let's go for any website. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.